Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do from your CorelDRAW workspace right here, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. So click on Tools, and this is going to proper drop down, then move to here. The next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you click on Customization right here. Click on Customization, and this dialog box here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to come to Color section right here. Click on Theme. Under the theme, you have light, you have medium, you have dark, and you have black. What we want to do here is to select dark. So when you select dark, you can see the whole interface change to dark. So if you can also switch from dark to completely 100% black, just like what you see right here. So once you're satisfied, you can also change the desktop color, that is the desktop background color. Click on here, and then from here, you can easily choose desktop color background as the case may be. Once you're satisfied with it, and the next thing you want to do is to simply hit on OK right here, and in a few seconds, everything about your CorelDRAW will completely change from your light theme into dark theme. If you want to change back to your default theme, you simply come back to Tool right here. Then from Tool, go to Options. Then from Option, go back to Customization right here. Then this window right here is going to pop up. Then you can simply click on here now and easily switch back to light. And once you switch back to light, it takes you back to your previous Corel before interface. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply put it back into completely black, and then we have it right here. And I'm going to change the window border right here. So what do I mean by window border? Window border are some of the highlights from the top right here of your Corel workspace. So if I click on my window border right here, I can decide to give it a kind of red color right here. So I'm going to simply click on this red color, just like what you see right here from the screen. You can see all my border here has completely changed to red. Next thing I want to do here is to hit on OK, and everything will be completely changed to my default color interface, just like what you see right here. For more tutorial about CorelDRAW tips and tricks, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.